Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a cooking video. I have no makeup on. I'm just in a t-shirt because I am gonna go to the gym later, so there's no point of putting on makeup. But I'm gonna be trying to make or cook tofu. Yeah, it sounds really gross. But my friend Haley, she's vegan and she made it on her Snapchat. Well, didn't make it, but she showed me and I'm like, oh, you know what? Let me try this. Let me see what it's about. It's only 2 carbs, 70 calories for 1 serving. So we're gonna try to make a tofu stir fry. I'm gonna be using the tofu. I'm gonna be using my pasta zero, which this is shirataki noodles, and these are only 30 calories for this whole pack. And then just random veggies that I have in my fridge. So we're gonna use some spinach, garlic, some broccoli, and peas, just to throw in it. The thing about stir fry, it's so easy because you just grab whatever veggies you have in your fridge, freezer, and you got some stir fry. So first let's cook up the veggies, cut the veggies and let them cook so they can be nice and soft. And then we'll try to make this stir fry. Oh, well, we'll try to make the tofu. Oh, well, we need to press. So we need to drain the tofu. That's what I remember. You need to let this drain for like 30 minutes is what I've seen. I'm scared to open it. Ew. So it just comes like, ew. It comes like this in a lot of liquid. Very liquidy, spongy. So I've seen people take napkins, towels, and you let it press. So I'm gonna put this on a plate and we'll take all the juice out. So what? Ew. Okay, now I put some napkins down and place the tofu on it. I'm just gonna put this heavy pot. Okay guys, I just put this heavy pot on my tofu and put some honey on top, and we're just gonna let this drain for 30 minutes. Let me put my timer, and while that's draining we will cook our veggies. Okay guys, now that we have our veggies cooked, we're going to go ahead, well, now that we have our veggies chopped, we're gonna cook up these veggies. Red peppers would have been bomb in this, but I don't have any red peppers. I'm just gonna spray this with some non-stick olive oil. and let this cook. Add a little bit of garlic powder to the veggies and some crushed red pepper, just a little bit, because I'm a little cat when it comes to spicy things. So we're gonna cook up these veggies, and then we still have 24 minutes on the tofu. I'm pretty sure that's not gonna take long to cook, but yeah, we'll be back. Okay, while our veggies are cooking, I'm gonna add some purple onion. I don't have regular onion or any peppers. That would have been super good in this. So we're gonna add some onion to this. Also gonna add some liquid aminos, which is just like a healthier soy sauce, a soy sauce alternative, just so that the veggies can cook in that. And I'm gonna add a little bit of oyster flavored sauce, just a tad. I'm gonna make a special sauce, but I want the veggies to cook in the soy sauce and oyster sauce, just so that they can pick up some more flavor. Look how good that looks. Eat your vegetables, guys. Okay, now we're gonna make our special sauce that we're gonna add to the tofu while it cooks, and also to the noodles and everything. I just came up with this recipe, like, I made it the other day and it was super bomb, so we're gonna do that again. So first things first, we're gonna add some chopped garlic and some liquid amino soy sauce, some oyster sauce, vinegar, tad of sesame oil, some celery salt, 1 sugar packet, honey, like 1 tablespoon, some red peppers, guys, this is our little concoction of sauce. Honestly, to me it tastes yummy. I know peanut butter, ooh, a little bit of peanut butter would be good, but this is what we're gonna make. Now that most of our veggies are cooked down, we're gonna add the frozen peas, because these take less to cook. I'm just gonna add about that much, and I'm gonna add the handful of spinach, our veggies are cooked, our noodles are cooking right now. If you want me to show you how to do the veggies to cook, so this is how it looks now. It's way skinnier. I mean, it still has some moisture in it, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my tofu into like bite-sized pieces and try to fry them up in sesame oil to like crisp them up. If that works, I don't know, we'll see. So let's cut these. So I'm gonna cut them into longer strips, so into 3s, and then, okay, maybe smaller. So I cut them like about these kind of pieces. They're not that big, but, so let me add some sesame seed oil to my pot or pan at 3, almost 3. We'll do it to 4. I'm gonna let this heat up and add our tofu, and I'm just, oh shoot. I'm draining my noodles. Oh my god, my thing came off. I'm just draining the water out of these noodles per the directions, which I think these are almost done. Guys, so our oil is hot. just grab a handful. Ah! And see how this cooks. Guys, I don't know how long to cook like each side of the tofu. It's been like 3-4 minutes on this one side. Let's see. It's kind of golden brown, but I want it a little bit more goldeny, so I guess like 2 more minutes. Honestly, this stuff looks gross. Maybe once I put the sauce on it, because I still have to put my little secret sauce, it'll taste better. My veggies though, look at the vegetables. Those look so delicious. I know, I'm an official grown-up. I love veggies. I used to hate vegetables growing up, and even when I was like in my early 20s, well I guess I'm 25, so I'm like mid-20s. I hated vegetables. But now that I'm like mature or whatever, I'll eat them. Okay, I'm gonna flip them now. So I guess like 4 minutes on each side. This is a little job. How am I gonna flip all these damn squares? Okay, I guess I flipped. Okay, I flipped mostly all of them, I think. That's how they look. It's like a little gold. It still feels super soft and spongy. But I guess that's how tofu feels. So I'm gonna let this side cook for about 5 minutes, and then we'll add our yummy sauce. It looks delicious, don't get me wrong. Look at, oops, I dropped a carrot. A vegan stir fry. Like, it looks so good, but I'm so scared to taste the tofu. Okay, it feels like eggs. It's just, it's chicken, Violet, it's chicken. It doesn't taste like anything. Weird texture. It's like I'm eating eggs. That's how it sounds. It's not bad. It's like flavorless, so it took the flavor of my concoction. It's just like a weird texture. It's like egg. It feels like I'm eating an egg. But my noodles though, delicious. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this, then get ready for the gym. Well, let this digest, and then get ready for the gym. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments, and let me know what you want to see. If you want me to try something else. I'm not a vegan, but I'm not even vegetarian. Just sometimes you don't feel like eating meat. You know what I mean? So yeah, this was delicious, so I'm gonna eat, and thank you for watching.